Hi, good evening, everyone. This is Vidya Lakshmi, daughter of Ramasamy. I'm enrolling in Diploma of IT, and my ID will be 910 So I'm enrolling in the subject of Introduction to Mobile Apps Development and assigned for the subject CDWP3103. So this video I'm going to show you guys regarding wireframes that I've created for my assignment, the subjected. So this wireframes is for creating a mobile app with a learning platform. I have choose a learning platform to create as a mobile app for my targeted users, students, lifelong learners, um, corporate employees, any tutors. So a simple wireframes here, and also I have created a prototype which will link from each an interactive wireframes here. There are some links here. I have already navigate, so I will show it later. First, let me introduce about my wireframes. So first one will be I'm using the logo as OUM, Open University Malaysia, and the username we have to print our username, and here I can use the password, then login. Then it will navigate to this page as a user. Here we can search the courses that we want. For sample courses, courses I have set here as a Java programming. This is a progressing bar, and network security, English language, and also I just show as a progressing bar here. And also recommended course will be business ethics, databases, web programming. So students or user can search by based on their preference here. So when click on next button, it will navigate to the course library. Here they can search for the courses and filter the course here. For example, course 1, course 2, course 3. So that will be a different course that they want to search. If we click on previous, they will navigate to the previous page. If we click to the next, it will come to the course details. So I have used my current course details as an example here. So my current course will be CDWP3103, Introduction to Mobile Apps Development. So is tutored by Mr. Junaidi Abdullah, and duration of this course will be 1 hour, every Monday and 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. So when user click on the specific button here, they will click on course description. It will come out what will be the course descriptions, what is the course about. And if you want to enroll, then I click on enroll, then I navigate to the particular page that we come for the enrollment, and model details will be here. So if we click on the previous, it will navigate to the previous page. If you come to the next, it will come to the search lesson view. So we can search the lesson title if they prefer, and it will come up the multimedia content, whatever multimedia content they want, and lesson text, what is the lesson they want to know, and quizzes, they can try for any quizzes they prefer based on the lessons they search for. And if they click on previous, it will come to the here, and click on the next, it will come to the my profile page. So I have set my profile as an example here. Progress will show the status based on the search they want to go for. And last will be my profile page. So I set my picture here. So Vidya Lakshmi Ramasamy, personal info will be my email, password, my academic process. If I click on it, it will show all the details of my academic process, my achievements, whatever achievement I done before, and the settings if I want to set my privacy or notification, whatever. So if I click on previous, it will come here. If I click on logout, it will come back to the user and password login page. So come to the prototype. I have already linked here as I explained before. And when I play on this, it will come to the prototype playment here. Let me hold on first. Okay, actually I unable to set the full screen here, but I can show you. So login, it'll come to the search courses pages. You come to next. You come to the search courses, whatever course we want, and we'll come to the course details I mentioned before, and it will come to the lesson title. And if I click to the previous, it go back as I mentioned earlier, and also you come to the my personal profile here, you go to the previous, you come back and it's a progress also. So if I log out, then you'll come to the login page. So I think that's all for now from me. So I already save it and already share it. So for I am to share also, this is the link that I got. So if later I will add this link to direct to you here. I think that's all. Thank you very much.